Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy a website with Squarespace detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Squarespace website. If you don't have an account, click on the Get Started button. Fill in your email address, create a password, and provide your website name. Choose a template that matches your desired style and purpose. Once you select a template, you will be taken to the website editor. Familiarize yourself with the layout of the Squarespace dashboard. On the left side, access the main sections of your site such as Pages, Design, and Commerce. To edit a page, click on the Pages section. Select the page you want to edit from the list. Once you click on a page, you'll see the editing options appear. You can drag and drop elements to rearrange your layout. To add content, click the plus icon where you want to insert a new element. Choose from text blocks, images, galleries, or other content types. Insert your text or images as needed and customize styles using the options provided. Preview your changes frequently to see how they will appear to visitors. After editing all pages, head to the Design section to customize your site's appearance. Adjust typography, colors, and spacing according to your brand identity. Make sure to check all settings, including social links and logos. Once you are satisfied with the design, navigate to the Settings menu. Here, you can set your site title, description, and favicon. Verify if you need to connect a custom domain by going to the Domains section. If you already own a domain, follow the prompts to connect it. If you don't have a domain, Squarespace offers options to purchase one directly. Review the SEO settings to optimize your website for search engines. Once everything is set, click on the home icon to return to the dashboard. When you're ready to go live, hit the Publish button. Confirm your decision to make the website publicly available. After publishing, periodically update your website to keep the content fresh. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.